Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here with another video, and today I am just coming to you guys with a little hair update. I like to go back and always update you guys on hair that I told you guys to buy, just in case you guys are dealing with problems now, or if you're still deciding. I like to give updates just so you guys know how the hair held up and if it's worth you guys actually buying. So this is the Klaiyi hair that I did a few videos on. I believe that I got a 16-inch frontal, and then I got 18, 20, and 22. So I got 3 bundles and a frontal, and I believe those are the lengths. I'll leave all the specs down below. I had this hair for about 3 months now, and I have to say that I get so many compliments when I wear this hair. Everyone loves it. Everyone's always asking me like, oh my gosh, like what type of hair is that? How do you keep up with it? It's so beautiful, blah, blah, blah. I always get so many compliments, and I love the hair. I love it so much. Like, this is probably one of my favorite curly hairs that I've ever bought. It's just so beautiful. It has so much body. When you wet it, it looks so pretty. When it dries, it looks so pretty. It's just some really, really bomb hair. So I have to say that over the 3 months of having the hair, there's a few things that I was kind of disappointed in. I'm not bashing the hair and I'm not bashing the company. Maybe it's on my part, but there's a few things that just really, I'm gonna have to thumbs down the hair for now. I'm still rocking the hair, but I can't rock it the way I want to because of the issues that I'm having with it. So for one, I stopped wearing this hair for a little bit. I gave it a little bit of a rest. And I gave it a rest because my frontal actually started to go bald. And I'm not talking about where I put glue or gel. I'm talking about like the middle of the frontal. And I know that I wasn't combing the hair or washing it too roughly for it to go bald. So I'm kind of confused as to why the frontal is bald. And I will show you guys that it's actually bald. Like, I have to wear this wig flipped over because it is so bald. Like, it's actually really bad, and that kind of like sucks because I really like this hair, but it's like almost bald. And God forbid if the wind blows the wrong way and I'm outside, like, people are gonna be like, yo, sis is bald. But that's one of the things that I was kind of like, I don't know if it's because when I was shampooing and detangling, or when I was styling it, or what I was doing, but I don't understand why the frontal went bald, especially if I wasn't putting gel in the middle of my frontal. And I know that frontals aren't meant to be worn every day because they are gonna go bald, but I don't know, this should have never happened, I'm very disappointed. Still love the hair, I'm just disappointed. And then another thing is, like, when I co-wash this hair and I am detangling, I get a lot of shedding. Hair sheds, okay, but it was coming out in clumps, which is kind of alarming because I'm like, I don't want my wig to be mad thin. Like, I get hair is gonna shed, but it was a lot of shedding, especially when I wet it. I guess you can't really tell that the hair is thinning out because it's so big and curly, and that's what I love about this hair. It has so much volume, has so much body that you could hardly tell that, the hair is shedding. So that's the 2 things that I would say were very disappointing about this hair. But overall, I still get compliments on this hair. Those are the 2 things that I'm like, damn, like I wish, that didn't happen. But I get with curly hair, it's a lot of maintenance. You are gonna have a lot of shedding. You're gonna have shedding with any hair. And eventually your frontal is gonna go bald. You are gonna have to replace. Overall, I am still very happy with this hair. But guys, that's really all I have to say. I still love the hair. If you guys are still interested in Klaiyi hair, please check them out. They're a bomb company. The vendors are super sweet. I just think they're super professional. They care about their customers. They care about their clientele. And I love it. So definitely check this hair out, y'all. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I lost you, babe. Picking up a penny with a press on it. It's easier holding you down. Can't be any